Good morning, guys. Good morning. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness, I gotta clean this cage this weekend. This is really bad. Hi. Hi, Pablita. Hi. Ready to come out? By you, Rango. What are you doing over there? All right, let's go. Alexa, turn on theater.
Okay.
All right, let's pick something to watch. You guys ready? What? Don't be silly. Ready? Come on. You're like, I don't want to be on camera. Okay, come on. Thank you. Did you have to poop first? Oh, yeah, of course you did. Let's see. And you pooped in your water again. Oh, dear Lord. How do we do this? I could do this. Okay, and we gotta refresh your food too. So, we gotta pull everything out. Maybe we'll do it this way. I don't know if it'll show. Oh, sort of, maybe one angle. That'll help. What? Hold on for a minute. I gotta get your stuff. There we go. Okay, that'll help. Alright. Gonna get your water out. Water. Gotta refresh the water because you poop on it every single day. How'd you sleep? Did you have a good night? Oh? I know you got a few extra minutes today. Hold on, we gotta go get your food. And this one. And this one. I need my hands. Oops. And this other one. Alright. One more. These clips was hard to get wrapped. Now you can't stay here because I can't watch you. Come on. What are you doing? Come on. I know you want to stay up there, but hold on. You will. In a minute. Hey, Pablita, you gonna help me? Okay. Why don't you get up here? Alright, here we go. Alright. I'm gonna flip the camera around, make everyone dizzy. Okay. They're walking, that's a mess. Alright, let's clean this up. Alright, so anyways, they've already eaten through most of that. I'm gonna clean it out real quick and I'll show you guys where I refill everything. I'll be right back. See, this is how she helps. She's helping me. Hi, you going for a walk? Here, so we keep all the bird food, dog food, cat food, everything organized. And yeah, we keep a very close eye on him. He's super sweet. He never goes after them. But you can't trust everything all the time. And I want the little birdies to be safe too. So we always keep an eye on them. Okay, Thumper, I gotta work up here, so excuse me. Go. Hey, thank you. Alright. Do this one maybe. Oh, maybe. Alright, so gotta prepare these guys upside down. And we have everything marked how many scoops of what. So we have some rainbow pellets. I have no idea if the color helps for anything, but you know, they look pretty. We have regular pellets. Get these from the bird store that's right by our house. Then we got. Hi, what are you doing? Freeze-dried veggies. They also get fresh veggies, but they don't like fresh for some reason as much. We still try. And a little bit of seed, which is kind of like junk food, but just a little bit of it. There we go. Just like a bird food salad. Okay, ready to go back? Okay, let's go back. Which way are we pointing? And they're still here watching. You still there? Are you watching? How about you? Oh. Alright, so we got fresh food, fresh water, and we're about ready to hang out here for a little bit. Come up here. Wanna come up here? Oh, good boy. Hey. Here, get. Okay, fine. Stay up there for a minute. That's fine. Anyways, yeah, here's the box where they're playing. They can just go through there, search for food, play with their toys, do everything. But we hang out, get a little bit of water and stuff so they can drink while we hang out. Yeah, and here are all the toys I took out of we took out of the cage, just to give them a little bit more space. But yeah, so we gotta clean this. We're like constantly cleaning it because they poop so much. They're constantly pooping. I'm a pooper. So we gotta go through and just make sure stuff looks clean or whatever. But even our couch, we have a really nice couch, or had a nice couch. But since we got the birds, they poop so much on it that it's kind of like done. So we try to keep up with it, but within a few days, so already it's gross. So anyways, oh, that's just a little bit more. See, look, poop. That's like from yesterday. What? What is it? Did you want to be on camera? Is that what you wanted? Hi. Behave. All right, anyways, thank you.